So let's go to Stone Monument Company. Is that a little better? Now what's it want? Yes, Stone Monument Company B, as in boy.
How many units must be sold to earn a net income of $1,400,000?
So here they no longer want to break even, do they? They want to make money. And so I always hated it when professors did this to me, but I want you in your notes to write down both formulas in their entirety, in their just great fullness. And then, you know what? Everything is the same except what? Did I just talk to Stephen? Okay. Christine, what's different? Instead of having a 0, what do we need to do? Because the company doesn't want to break even. What do they want to do? I'm sorry? Yes. Of how much? No. Bigger number. It's down in the required. More than that. Down in the required. Precisely. They want to make $1,400,000 of profit, which means those two answers are going to change. So everything that I now have on the board, I would encourage you to write down. Yes, ma'am. Because I gave you one equation that can be used for two purposes. So you don't have to have as much stuff on your cheat sheet. Which is why I do that silly, or not so silly, little exercise of class. So that way you know what's the difference. Outstanding question. You got it all written down? Awesome. You're fast. Are we good? So I need Mara to do the top one, Jessica the bottom one. Calculate the answer for me, please. Mara? 7,400? Yeah. 7,400 what? Units. Labels can be important. Jessica? Is it bigger or smaller than the last one we did? Bigger. Would you expect it to be bigger? Yeah, it's kind of proportionally bigger. If you look at it, you don't have to have such an odd look on your face when you give me the number, because, it's bigger and it's kind of proportionally bigger, jumping from 6 million to 1.4 million on the top. So again, I'm sorry, 7,400,000? 8,800,000 what? Dollars. $8,800,000 of what? Tyler, Q? Precisely correct. $8,800,000 of revenue to do what, Aaron Laughlin? Yes, to earn an operating income of $1,400,000. See how easy that is? Same. We can go through the same exercise. It's not right? 14,800,000. Oh, I don't know. Is that what everybody got? Yeah. Is that what you got the second time you did it? You didn't tell me, though? It's okay. I want everybody to be happy. If that's the right number, That's the right number?
Otherwise, the notes would be messed up.
Okay. Well, I don't want your notes to be messed up. 7,400,000 units to do what, Andrew Maddox? To earn an operating income of $1,400,000. Very good. So that's the difference. So we can use one formula for two purposes. We just put a 0 in place of operating income when we're calculating break even. Questions, comments, concerns, random thoughts? We good? See how easy this is? Piece of cake, walk in the park. Easy as falling off a log. Which probably is pretty easy, but not very fun. Stone Monument Company C, please. Stone Monument Company C. And now I really do have to erase the whole board. Stone Monument Company C is in cat. Okay? What's different about this problem? Same data, right? What's different, Mr. McGowan? What new and exciting things are we going to get to do? We're going to earn, how many units do we need to sell to make a profit equal to 25% of sales? What's different about that than what we just did? Is Jackie Meyer here? What do you think? What's different? Rather than? What did we do? Dollars. It was only dollars. So last time our desired operating income was expressed as a dollar amount. This time in this problem, our desired operating income is expressed as a percent. And that's going to cause me to suggest that we use a different formula to make life easier for ourselves on a number of fronts. And now I want us to look back at those formulas. When we did the CVP intuition on that page with the box on it, I had you put stars by two formulas. Now we want those starred formulas. What was the first one, Robert Oswald? Equals what? You like that? You do not like that? Thank you. What's the second one, Mr. Pine? You forgot the X's.
I forgot the X's, but everything else was right.
Yes, it was. And there we have it. Selling price per unit times X, because selling price per unit times volume equals total revenue, equals variable cost per unit times X, because the product of those two numbers equals total variable cost, plus fixed cost, plus operating income. Okay? Good, good, good.